Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can fix Steam corrupt desk error. So first of all, you're going to have to simply launch your Steam. Once done, get logged into your account, then select Steam from your top left-hand side. Now in here, select Settings. Then from your left-hand side again, select Storage. Now right at this page, select this three dot icon and simply select Repair Library. Once this is completed, you may go ahead and close out of it. Come to your library, and if you're having problem with any games, you're going to have to simply uninstall it and reinstall again within your library. The next thing you could try is close the Steam application. Go ahead, close it overall. Come below at the task bar, type in Task Manager and then launch it. Here, click on Anywhere, then type in S. If you see Steam here, you're going to have to right-click onto it, select End Task. Now as you do that, you're going to have to restart your device. Come below at the search bar again, type in Steam, and this time run it as an administrator. Once done, your problem will probably be fixed, but if it's still not working, then here is the last thing you can try. Press Windows and R, type in %local app data %, and then launch it. In here, you will see Steam folder. Double-click onto it and clear the HTML cache file. Once done, restart your device one more time, then launch Steam and it will fix the problem.